If you're unsure where to stay in Washington, DC, well, we have you covered as we're going to show you around the Sofitel in Washington. We're going to answer if this is really a five-star hotel, what the rooms really look like, and stick around until the end where we'll share how we grabbed ourselves a free drink. So let's get to it. The location of this hotel is brilliant. It's a 2-minute walk to the White House and it's opposite our favourite cheesecake restaurant in the USA. There's also a 7-minute walk to the local subway station and within walking distance of the National Mall, which is a must whilst visiting Washington. Plus, there's plenty of different shops and restaurants surrounding the hotel. So the hotel exterior is glamorous and gives a luxurious vibe. In the summer, you'll even find some spacious seating area outside and there's valet parking right in front of the hotel. The moment you walk into the hotel, it feels calm, modern and nicely decorated. The breakfast and lunch restaurant is on the right-hand side of the lobby. Be mindful, breakfast is only available on an a la carte menu option. And on the left, you'll find the bar and evening restaurant, both inspired by French cuisine. The bar doesn't open until 4 p.m, so we weren't able to grab a drink beforehand. In the lobby, there are some cute seating areas, even though we found them pretty small, but you can grab yourself a book and snuggle into a chair. And on the ground floor of this hotel, you're going to find the gym, which is well equipped with high-tech equipment from treadmills to weights and even a Pilates ball, as well as complimentary bottles of water chilling in the fridge, which we definitely took back to our room. So now let's head on up to our room. So the elevators to take you up to the room are pretty cool as they've got different time clocks above them from Washington to Paris and Tokyo, but also the clocks move when the elevator's going up, which is really cool. So we stayed on the 10th floor, which was great because it was pretty high up and really quiet, and stayed in room 1022, which was a deluxe king room. When you first entered into the room, we had some nice artwork of Washington and then also the wardrobe with a full-length mirror. And inside the wardrobe, there were plenty of different coat hangers, an iron and an ironing board, and also a luggage rack. And then on the left-hand side, you had your safe, as well as a laundry service. There's also a shoe shine kit in there as well if you wanted to make your shoes look nice, with plenty of different storage drawers as well. So this room was on the larger size, which was great because we had large suitcases and we always struggle in smaller rooms because you want to open up your case. There's a large TV opposite the bed and above the desk. The desk had a phone as well as USB ports and also US plug sockets, as well as a lamp on the desk. There was also an espresso machine with the coffee capsules, some tea and 2 different varieties of milk, one being vanilla flavoured milk, which was interesting. And this QR code is to set up your mini fridge as the fridge is empty and they can put any products in there if you want it. So underneath you've got an ice bucket, some takeaway cups and also a kettle for your tea, which is very handy. And then underneath is a mini fridge for you to add any of your personal items to. So the room was very bright and airy as it had a couple of different windows and there was a nice seat with a coffee table and lamp if you wanted to get cosy. We were actually quite high up and we were on the roadside, but I would say that it was actually pretty quiet. We didn't really hear much road noise outside at all, which was great. So we've got a king size bed with 2 bedside tables. On the right hand side is a Bose speaker and alarm clock. And there was also a USB port and also US plug sockets. There was 2 bedside lamps as well on the side. There was another full-length mirror on the wall. And then on the left-hand side, you've got another phone, a notepad, and then also the remote control for the TV. The bed was actually really comfy and we really liked the linen. It was really nice. So the bathroom was a decent size. There was a separate bathtub to shower and plenty of room by the sink for you to put all your skincare products in. There was also a shower in the bathtub. So in the shower itself, it was a rainfall shower. All of the products, so you had shampoo, conditioner and body wash were Balmain Paris products because it's a French themed hotel. Bizarrely, in the bathroom, there was only 1 gown. So we did request for another one to be sent up to the room. There was also a separated toilet area, which felt separated to the bathroom, which was quite nice. And by the sink, they had some amenities, so 2 face cloths and also some nail files and some cotton pads, as well as 2 glasses for your water. And it's always really nice to have a separate bathtub, so we really enjoyed that. So let's talk free drinks. So the Sofitel is part of the Accor brand, so make sure you sign up to their free membership program, as you can quickly earn enough points to get free perks from free drinks to upgrades and late checkout. We have got a specific video on this, but we are only one status up in silver and we get all of these perks, and we've used them in pretty much most of the hotels we've stayed in, and Accor have thousands of hotels all across the world. In the coming weeks, we're going to share an ideal Washington itinerary with you, showing you the top things you need to see and do. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to not miss out on this video. We'll see you next time.